What's up, Rival Club? I'm Bella.
And I'm Leia.
And today, maglalaro tayo ng ating Christmas Game Relay Challenge. And the first game is...
Don't drop the balloon challenge!
Yes! Kaya, let's start now! Okay, start na! Wow! 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 Oh my God! Halika dito. Okay. Dito tayo sa part! Hindi ko alam paano. Oy! Hindi ko alam. Paano to? O sarado? May naging-islam ka na!
Pero paano ba siya isasama?
I don't really know. Like, how to even do this? What the frig?
Mataas yung ceiling.
I think we should be playing in the... in the... Oh my God! Wait lang, are we allowed to use the knees? Ay, gusto ko to. Kung pwede to, pwede ko na. I cannot stop laughing. Okay. Yeah, one down.
A few moments later.
It's not ending! What the frick is this?
Ginagamit ko na yung ulo ko.
Ay, okay na. Hindi ko kaya gamitin yung ulo ko. Saan ka naman?
Strong!
You drop it! Okay.
I'm only close.
How many? I'm on my last button!
So tired.
Let's start our game 2. Ano yung tawag dito?
It's Catch the Cup Challenge!
Okay, let's go! Okay, let's start now! 1, 2, 3. Ah! She won! This is our last game.
It's called Christmas Memory Game. And let's start now.
Okay. Bato-bato pikikis. Bato-bato pik. Gamot ay. Bato-bato pik. Ay, talo ko.
Snowman.
Oh, not a match. Bato. Hindi, bato-bato pik daw. Bato-bato pik. Kaya ko naman. Hindi binuksan niya. It's Dwarfism. Dwarf! Ano yun? Dwarfy. Parol. Hindi na naman sila match. Bato, pick. Okay, ikaw na. Nalaglag si Santa. Ang dami naman nito!
Ang dami na.
Match! May baka wala talagang match dito. Okay, ikaw na.
Kailangan mo.
Wala talaga sis. Ay, halon na yan. Oh my God. Ay, shock. Ouch! It's not a match! Bato, pick.
Got it!
Galing.
Point.
Okay. Okay, me naman. Uy! Eto na to. Tada! Bato, pick. Okay, ako na naman. Ay, shocking bago siya. Is not. Bato, pick. Okay. Ay, ako pala. Kumalmatin. Hindi pa ito lumalabas. Ay!
Nabuksan.
Bato, pick. Bato. Nilusi ba ka na?
Oh, shock!
Oh!
Siwan.
Bato, pick. Okay. Ano kaya to? Ay!
Christmas count.
Huwag mo naman nakal naman naman. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Yung pala yun? Lagi na lang saan na pupunta. Bato, pick. Okay. I think it's this. It's not that. I think it's this and it's not that. Ay, alam ko na yun. Bato, pick. Okay. This one and this one. Oh my God! I'm so bad at this game. Bato, pick. Ito yung binuksan ko, right? Traumatized already. Yay! Finally! Bato, pick. Okay. This is so shit. Ano ka?
Si Santa Claus.
Nabasa ba siya? Oo. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Ito. Yay! Finally! Bato, pick. natatakot ako magbasa. Sino ka? Ay, medyas. Ano ba nabasa na ito eh? Ayun! Bato, pick. Okay, start na.
This.
Ay!
Ornament. Again? Basta ba yan?
Hindi ko sure, parang oo. Ay, oo! Bato, pick. Di. Ano yan? Ah, si Santa! Santa! Ay! Bato, pick. Okay. Open na natin si Santa. Hindi ko na rin mahawakan yun.
Yeah.
Bato, pick. Okay na. Open na yung mga side natin. Uy, ayan na. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Patapos na to! Ah! Oo. Oo nga pala, nabuksan ko yan kanina. Ayun! Bato, pick. Okay. The last.
Last one is here.
Oh, it's a tie! Thank you so much. Bye-bye!